What are we doing?
We're going on a nice little walk.
Yeah. With the boy.
Oh boy.
Hi, Milo. 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 He doesn't understand what a camera is.
No, he doesn't.
He also looks very unsure of absolutely everything right now. Come on. Milo.
Despite all, you're my best friend.
Holy shit.
It's time. Yo, look, a bird went through here.
Oh, wow, that's cool. He was on a mission.
One time, I was sitting in there eating, and I was looking out this window, and there was a pair of ducks over here in the parking area. They had a cookie, right? And it was like the female was like eating at the cookie, and the male was standing there.
Garden.
Yeah. And then some people walked sort of close to them, so then they waddled away a little bit, and right as they waddled away, this fucking magpie swoops in, grabs the cookie, and flies off. It was fucking hilarious.
Those magpies be thieves.
I know.
Oh, here we go. Oh, that's cool.
Someone was saying Chinese dragon.
It also looks like a snapping turtle a little bit.
Yeah. Well, I was thinking about sharks and whales and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I'm reading Moby Dick.
Oh, cool.
This passage where like they hunted a whale down and they had the carcass there and the sharks like eating at it.
Dude, the detail on this is so awesome.
This side looks a lot like the other one. Tends to go that way with beasties.
Yeah.
But, oh yeah, so there's, do you see that pile of shit over there?
Yeah.
That was an igloo. I was walking around and somebody was like, they knew I did snow sculpture and they're like, they're building an igloo down here. So like, okay, I'm gonna go help them build an igloo. It was a terrible day for it. It was like cold, so the snow was not sticky at all. I got down here and I collected like half of the snow for them. And like, there were like 6 or 8 people or something. I probably collected half of the snow and lifted half of it on. You know,
Oh my
made a
gosh.
lot of decisions about it. But and then yeah, somebody ran over it.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see all the tire tracks from like running
Hey.
around and stuff.
There's a secret.
You see it? That was the door. They hotboxed the igloo. They were talking about hotboxing the igloo like while we were building it, and I came back later and I found I think they're cigarette butts, not marijuana. Do you hotbox cigarettes?
I guess
Kinda
you
weird.
could, but it's
But that kind of sucks.
yeah. I think it's really cool how good you are, not just at like making the sculpture, but you know when the best times are.
Mhm.
You know when snow collection is at its most efficient, which is really
This
cool.
one took us like probably 5 hours, and you know, just small and not very interesting, right? That thing took me 2 hours by myself yesterday, and I made 2 other snow sculptures yesterday too. So
Oh my
like,
gosh.
you know, like, yeah, it's important.
He looks pretty happy.
Yeah. I don't know if you noticed the way I collected the snow.
Oh,
I'm thinking
yeah.
that is like his arms. He's like,
Oh.
welcoming you in for a hug.
Nice.
His name
That's
is
cool.
either Y Balls or Y the Long Face.
Y balls is because he is happy. Hi, Y balls.
Y Balls. I think he's my favorite that I've made.
That one's really cool. Yeah, and
That's what I was thinking yesterday.
it's also very architecturally difficult, I would imagine, because it looks
Yeah,
difficult to make.
it fell apart a couple of times while I was building it. Do you see that pile over there?
Yeah.
I made an elephant. That one was pretty cool.
Oh,
I'll send you pictures.
okay. Yeah, I'd love that.
We're picking up Aiden.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Highlight and see if I can find a good filming spot.
Just kidding. There's a lens cap in this.
So, a bit of context for the rest of this video. I am making a short film in the Bozeman area, and Charlie and a few friends are helping me out. This trip was mostly to scout some filming locations, particularly up in the Highlight Canyon area, and I'm super excited to share these trips and the behind the scenes footage with you as we continue making this short film. Where'd it go? There it is? Charlie!
Hi.
Yeah.
You want to get in here?
Oh, sure. I don't know, man.
Like a cannonball.
I feel like I'm gonna break something.
Oh, that's
There's
okay.
like a stick right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's worth it. Ooh.
It was a stick.
It's a liberating feeling. Hey, can you take it?
Yes.
Take the damn camera.
Got it. Roll over, as they say.
Back up and roll.
There you go.
Thanks. This is what I'm thinking for campsite. What? One potential problem is lighting. I could probably fix that. And
Dude, I think
traffic, but that's...
the dim is good.
2 months till showtime. Starting March 8th, all of my vlogs will be rolling out on my Patreon ad-free. Please go check it out.